Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import your custom LUT folder from Final Cut and import it to LUTme. LUTme is a free tool that allows you to see all your LUTs applied to a single frame, and so you can find the best LUT for your shot and then you can select it in Final Cut and use it in your edit. So here I have that custom LUT. I'm just going to remove it. Just if you arrow it, you can see it's in volume, macOS, users, my username, library, application support, pro app, custom LUT. So I'm going to remove it and we're going to import it again. So I'm going to go to import LUT folder, and then normally it brings you to what is the data folder. So you can see here, you can go back. Let's go to the home directory here. And normally what you're going to see is all the different folder. And if you sort them by name, there's no library folder. The reason is that that folder is actually hidden. So you can press Command Shift, which is like uppercase, and dot, and then it's going to show a lot of different folder that start with dot. That's why the shortcuts is related to dot. All the files that start with dots appearing, and the libraries folder, which is a particular folder, was also hidden, and now you can see it. So you can click on library, and then you can go to application support, pro app, and then you can see there's camera LUT, which is like the log to Rec 709 LUT. You can import that too, but you can also import the custom LUT, or you can import just the pro app and have everything in the same folder. So I'm going to import custom LUT, and now you can see all the different LUTs you can have here, and you can create new folder. And basically you just import an image, and then now you will be able to see all the LUTs, but you can also organize your LUTs. So you can drag and drop images. I'm going to do it right now. Select an image. So you can see here I've been able to see all my LUTs. When I go to go action, I'm able to see the different LUTs, and you can see how much they can change the color. Like you can see a before and after. Like that LUT is going to change a lot. If you want to go for that style, then you find the right LUT, and you have the name here, and so you can use it in Final Cut. But if you want to organize them, you can just grab it and then put it like in the black and white folder. And then let's imagine it was black and white. You can drag and drop it here and create a folder of black and white LUT, so you can find them easily and having them a bit more organized. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't hesitate to use LUTme to organize all your LUT for Final Cut. It makes your editing much faster, and so happy color grading.